Hey everyone, today we are talking about a prestigious government internship with NITI Aayog, the policy think tank of Government of India. If you are a student or research scholar looking for an gain explore public policy, governance, data economics or research, this video is for you. And let's go through about NITI Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, is the apex policy think tank of Government of India focused on economic development, strategic planning and policy making. And coming to the point in internship details, this internship is hosted on official portal of NITI Aayog's Work for India Internship Scheme and eligibility criteria UG must have completed or appeared in second year or fourth semester of degree. Postgraduate students or research scholars must have completed or appeared in first or second semester of PG. Minimum 75 marks in graduation. And duration and timings of these internships are normally 6 weeks minimum up to 6 months maximum. Selected interns must complete the minimum period to receive a certificate of completion. And how to apply? Click on the link present in the description, visit the official NITI Aayog internship portal, register and log in user your email, fill up your personal education details, upload your resume documents, submit before the deadline. If you are serious about growing your career in policy, governance, research or economics, don't miss this chance with NITI Aayog. So apply fast.